In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand, with an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved one so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, out on runway number 9, big 707 set to go. But I'm stuck here on the ground, where the cold winds blow, where the liquid tasted good, and the woman whirl all fast. There she goes, my friend, she's rolling now at last. Hear the mighty engines roll, see the silver bird on high. She's away and westward bound, high above the clouds she'll fly, where the early rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying home, my home, in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. You can jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I best be on my way in the early